Could you see yourself cruising the streets in this? A tech startup in Japan wants to make this hoverbike happen. It's called the X-Turismo Limited Edition, and it was created by a drone company that's employing some of the same technology it uses for its smaller flying devices. It features a conventional engine and battery-powered motors that can make it fly for 40 minutes at up to 100 kilometers per hour, or about 60 miles per hour. The company held a demonstration on a racetrack in Tokyo, and this thing has some moves. It's not as quiet as some electric cars on the market, and it doesn't come cheap either. The X-Turismo will set you back about 78 million yen, or $680,000. And the company says it will need wealthy early adopters to help the hoverbike reach its full potential. They hope to one day see it used by rescue teams to get to hard-to-access areas, as well as for the masses to get around in their daily lives. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Mara Montalbano.